Welcome. Today we will explore the fascinating world of weather, focusing on the various types of rain and snow. So let's dive right in and see what we can learn. Hello, today we will learn about the types of rain, including rain and snow. There are many different types of rain. Let's take a look at what they are. Rain-I means it's raining normally. It's not raining heavily, it's just normal. For example, it's rain-I, so we're going out, so we should open the door. Hey, drizzling is a light rain or drizzle. It's not heavy. Sometimes you get wet without even realizing it. For instance, it's raining lightly, but my clothes are wet, so I won't go. Pouring means heavy rain. The water is pouring down, and it's like a Thai story. It's been pouring all night, so there's water in front of the house. Snowy means snow, not rain. It is more common in mountainous areas and in winter. For example, it's been snowy this past week, so I'm wearing a mini skirt and washing my hair. Hail is a rain of small, solid pieces of ice. If it's strong enough, it can even damage cars. It's dangerous, so be careful. For example, yesterday the hailstorm caused the car to crash. So now you've learned about the 5 types of rain. Next time it rains, keep these types in mind. I hope the content you've learned is useful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.